There was a time when affordable compact cars were built for only one thing: getting from point A to point B. No excitement, no emotion, no personality. But then came the 2026 Kia K4 GT line. And suddenly, the compact sedan became interesting again. The moment the K4 GT line appears on the road, it feels different. Lower, sharper, more aggressive than you'd expect from a car in this price range. The futuristic LED lighting stretches across the front end, while the black accents, sculpted body lines, and sporty wheels give the K4 a design that feels closer to a premium sports sedan than a typical daily commuter. And honestly, that's what makes this car stand out immediately. Kia didn't just build another economy car. They built something people actually want to look at twice. But the real surprise begins once you step inside. The cabin feels modern, clean, and surprisingly upscale. Two massive digital displays dominate the dashboard, creating a futuristic cockpit that looks years ahead of many competitors in this segment. Ambient lighting glows softly across the interior. The steering wheel feels sporty in your hands. And the GT line trim adds details that make the car feel more premium than its price suggests. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems, smart cruise control, lane keeping assist, it's all here. And then there's the driving experience. The standard GT line comes with a 2.0-liter engine producing around 147 horsepower, offering smooth and efficient daily driving. But if you move up to the GT line Turbo, things get much more exciting. Now you're getting a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine pushing close to 190 horsepower. Acceleration feels quicker, sharper, more alive. The paddle shifters, tighter suspension tuning, and sportier handling suddenly transform this compact sedan into something genuinely fun to drive. And that balance is where the K4 GT line succeeds the most. It's practical enough for everyday life, efficient enough for long commutes, comfortable enough for road trips, yet sporty enough to make every drive feel just a little more exciting. That's rare in today's market. Most affordable cars force you to choose between style, technology, performance, or price. The 2026 Kia K4 GT line tries to give you all four. And honestly, it comes surprisingly close. This isn't just a replacement for the old Forte. It feels like Kia entering a completely new era of compact cars. Sharper design, better technology, more personality, and far more confidence. The 2026 Kia K4 GT line proves that affordable cars no longer have to feel cheap or boring. Because sometimes, the cars that surprise you the most are the ones you never expected to love. So, what do you think about the 2026 Kia K4 GT line? Would you choose it over the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Hyundai Elantra? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car content and future automotive reviews.